Hello, welcome to my video, and today I'm just going to show how to change the rear door of Honda CR-V. So you can see, well, this is what we do. Gonna open the front door. So after opening, this is what we need: one screw here, one screw here, and then one screw here and one screw here. That's easy, but before all, we just need to remove this. This is very important to remove it before anything. Okay, so as I said, remove all the way here. Yeah, so that's what we want here. That's what we are looking for, to take it with us. Right, we're getting there. So this is what we need here, down. If you just press this, yeah, see? Don't lose it, because we'll need it again. There we are. That's it. Right, now we are going to start to remove this bolt. Okay, the other one. Leave them in place because you need a balance to the door. So I'm just gonna loosen them for starting. Okay, so these are very loose now. Right, I'm gonna go for the top one. Right, looks like bingo here. Now it's gonna be this one. Gonna move my camera a little bit here. Right. Alright, so we just need to lose it. We don't need to let go because the door is gonna fall. So we have removed 1, 2, and going down all the way 3, 4, and this is the first things we have removed. Now the door is stable here because there's something else inside. Now I'm just gonna use my jack down there to hold the door, and then I can unscrew the bolt which is inside, and then I can remove the door. That's it. So the door is held on two of these, middle and then down here. And don't forget to put everything back by using this. Okay, so now we're going to change the door.